Hello bachon, let's see this question. Find the frequencies of resolution of electron in n is equals to 1 and n is equals to 2 orbit. Okay. And B part is what is the frequency of the photon emitted when the electron in n is equals to 2 orbit and drop to n is equals to 1 hydrogen orbit. C. An electron typically spend out 10 to the power minus 8 second in an excited state before it drops lower state by emitting photon. How many resolution it will complete to make the orbit? Okay, let's see first part of this question. Find the frequency in n. First part, find frequencies in n is equals to 1 and n is equals to 2. For n is equals to 1, first of all we will see how the frequencies depend upon the quantum numbers. Then f is equals to v upon 2 pi r. Okay, that is v is equals to v naught z by n, that is v proportionals to 1 by n, and r basically r naught n square by z square, that n square by z, that is r proportionals to n square. Then frequency here, frequency is proportional to nothing but 1 by n, 1 by n by n square, that is for the r, 1 square for the r. Then frequency f is inversely proportional to 1 by n cube. Okay, this relation is very useful in further. So first of all we find the frequency in the first orbit. Okay, then f1 is equals to v. Okay, फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट में वेलोसिटी हमारी कितनी होती है, वेलोसिटी का फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे v नॉट की वैल्यू होती है, v नॉट इज इक्वल टू 2.16 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second. Okay, and z is for the atomic number and n is for the quantum number. Basically यहाँ पे v upon 2 pi r. Okay, then v is 2.2 into 10 to the power 6. Okay, and 2 pi and r naught, that means in a first Bohr orbit 0.529 into 10 to the power 0.529 angstrom, that is 0.529 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Okay, this comes out to be 6.6 into 10 to the power, how many, 10 to the power 15 hertz, 10 to the power 15 hertz. Okay, and if we talk about for n is equals to 2, for n is equals to 2, okay, then frequency of this will becomes, frequency is inversely proportional to n, so n increase then frequency decrease, then for n is equals to 2 it will decrease by 8 times. So यहाँ से f is equals to k times 1 upon frequency 2 cube, that is the f1 by, f1 by 8, f2 is equals to f1 by 8, that is f1 is this is f1 and f2 is equals to f1 by 8, that means 6.6 into 10 to the power 15 hertz by 8. Okay, by 8, that means what is this, 0.825 into 10 to the power 15. Okay, 8.25 into 10 to the power 14 hertz, 10 to the power 14 hertz. Okay, that means this is the answer of the first part. Okay, let's talk about the second part, B part. Okay, and the B part is what is the frequency of the photon emitted in an n is equals to 2 orbit dropped n is equals to 1 orbit. That means this is the transition line, n is equals to 2 and n is equals to 1. That is, here is minus 3.4 electron volt energy, and in the first that is in ground state minus 13.6 electron volt. Okay, if the difference of energy is 10.2 electron volt. Okay, and we know that E is equals to h nu, V is equals to h nu. Then if we calculate the frequency nu, h E by h, that is E in SI unit, in that means in joule, we will convert by multiplying 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 in joule. So 10.2 into 10 to the power minus 19, 10 to the power minus 19 divided by 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34, that will becomes out to be 2 point something, 2.46, and 10 to the power 2.46 into 10 to the power 15 hertz. 15 hertz. This is the answer of your B part. And now let's talk about C part. Okay. An electron typically spends 10 to the power minus 8 seconds in an excited state before it drops from to a lower state by the emitting photon. How many resolution does this complete in? N is equals to 2. Okay, that is F2 is F2 in a फर्स्ट ऑप्शन में F2 हमने कैलकुलेट किया था, कितना आया था 0.823 into 10 to the power 15 hertz. Okay, and here T2 is equals to what? T2 is equals to what? 1 upon F2, nothing but 1 upon F2. Then n is equals to, basically n is equals to, we can say that number of resolution है ना, to time upon frequency of this. So basically this is nothing but n is equals 1 by T2 is nothing but F2. Okay, so n यहाँ basically you can write T into F2. So n is equals to 10 to the power, this is small t is given here, spend time, small t is spend time, so 10 to the power minus 8 into 0.825 into 10 to the power 15, that is becomes equals to 8.25 into 10 to the power 6 into 10 to the power 6 resolution per second. Okay, this is the answer of the C part, and in erase part the answer of the A part, and this is the answer of the B part. Okay, so best of luck.